All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today, we're back inside of our BOA Titanoboa favorites project, interacting the Viper contract module. Yesterday, we went over the differences of using the print statement inside of our Vipers.vi contract and our PyEVM file. So today, we're going to pick up some light reading as we move forward. In this section, we will go over how the PyEVM backend works. The first thing we will do is run our script again using the PyEVM backend. You will notice that our starting favorite number is still 7 and our updated favorite number is still 33. This is because the PyEVM backend runs in memory, which it means that it does not persist data between runs. This is the difference between a BOA backend, which persists data between runs. This is why when we see the same starting favorite number and updated favorite number every time we run the script using the PyEVM backend. Now, note this is an important distinction to make as it will affect how we test and deploy our contracts. Persistent data just means that the data is stored on a blockchain and will remain there until it is changed or deleted. In contrast, in-memory data is stored in the computer's memory and will be lost when the computer is turned off or the program is closed. In the future, we will most likely not want to run the same script multiple times using the same data, but it is important to understand how the different backend works, so it is okay for now. Later on in the course, we will learn some tools to help us get the most recent states of our contract that was deployed. Now, we're going to leave it there right now because we are moving to a new section, and I don't want to move too far, too fast. So we're going to keep it here. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.